Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I will show you on how to check your hard drive health in Windows PC. So let's see. But before we dive into this tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to simply come down below right here where you have your window icon. Right click on the start menu and go to Task Manager. And this is going to pop up. Next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to performance from the top right here. Then this is going to drop down. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply go to disk right here. So just like so, as you can see right here, if your disk have issue, all this green here is going to drastically turn to red. But if your disk does not have issue and the health of your hard drive is good, then you are going to see this green bar, and you will have 100% from the top right here and at the bottom right here. So everything will become green, and the type of your hard drive is going to be indicate which is HDD. So if it is SSD, it's going to indicate that SSD. But this PC here is using HDD hard drive. So it's as simple as that. You can read detail about the hard drive and you can see how functionality the hard drive is working on the PC. So basically, this is how to simply check your hard drive health and how you can be sure that the hard drive you have on your PC health status is very much okay. So I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Windows PC. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.